Jake Ludington here at HP Discover in Frankfurt, Germany, and I'm here with Andrew Dickerson to talk about StoreOnce. And StoreOnce has been around for a while, but you guys announced some new things. Can you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, sure. I mean, at this show, we started announcing StoreOnce Catalyst, taking down from the enterprise right down to the remote offices, mid-market size organizations. It enables the customer to manage their data from one single pane of glass through data protector or Symantec. It works across the WAN or the LAN, speeds up the backup up to 100 terabytes an hour, and slightly slower for the smaller appliances. And it enables you to back up your data in remote offices without the need for an appliance. So that means it's very cost effective for customers.
So there's no appliance, it's just drives essentially?
You can install it on the media server or data protector on the application server. Now if you have a slightly larger remote office, let's say 1 or 2 terabytes of data, you need an appliance to make sure you get the performance. And
at the bigger end of things though, you guys have something fairly unique in terms of being able to scale out through multiple nodes so that in theory your backup should never fail.
Yeah, absolutely. The StoreOnce B6200 is exactly that. It's a scale out device. You can go up to 4 couplets, that's 8 nodes, and each couplet is organized as 2 nodes. If one node fails, the other node takes over. So we have no single point of failure on that device at all. And the same is true for restore as well. If you back up your data, you want it to keep going. You don't want it to fail. And if you want to restore data, you want to restore it.
So what else should people know about StoreOnce technology?
It's very flexible. It's unique in the market in terms of StoreOnce Catalyst working right across from the robos through to the data center. You move your data around exactly as you want it and where you want it. So from one site to another site to another site, we call it multi-hop replication. High availability, no single point of failure. Why wouldn't you buy one?
How does it tie into the restore functionalities in terms of the bigger HP picture? Is there a restore tie-in that makes data restoration faster?
So we work with HP Labs very closely, the engineering team in Bristol and India and America, and what we decided a long time ago was we needed to balance backup performance and restore performance. What happens with deduplication is, as you fill up your box, you get a lot of chunks of data. And it's hard to find those chunks of data when you need to restore. So we balance those two out, and we use some clever patented technology from labs, so we know exactly where we place the data on disk. We can get it back very, very quickly.